This video will show you how to old program back up to your USB. This is a 0i plus main screen. Select maintenance display and go to MDI, go to offset. Please check the parameter enable and then 17 IO device 17 means USB, and then go to the system hard key and the parameter 323202 3202. Make any 9 make 0, any 8 make 0, protected release, and then go back to the edit mode and then select the hard key one more time, and then by next to menu you can see the all IO. Select all IO, then select program, not parameter, program, and then you can see the below the menu all output and execute. After finish, go to MDI, go back to the 3202, any 9 make it 1, any 8 make it 1, and you go back to the offset screen, make it 1, make it 0. That's it. Thank you for watching.